Hi. At times you don't know what to say, how to say, and whom to say, what tone we should use. And during this conversation, actually, we start faltering. We start saying something which causes misunderstanding. And at times we want to solve some problem, but we create more problems. So basically, what we lack is a way to communicate. We can't communicate anything in anger. We'll have to be very calm when we communicate. Try to be very calm, filled with joy, filled with love when you communicate, and things start flowing to you. Words will start making sense, even if you don't know what to say, how to say it. Try it and tell me if you are successful in not or not.